in partnership with CommSec.
Shuffle off to the markets on this Tuesday morning to see what the numbers are doing. Good morning, Tom Piotrowski. So what's the read?
Pete, we can look forward to an encouraging start this morning, and futures are pointing to a gain of 0.5% for the ASX 200, so making up for a bit of a misstep yesterday as we started the week on a softer footing. So the environment in Northern Hemisphere trade overnight was pretty constructive again. It turns around the belief, Pete, that we're going to see successive rate cuts from the US Federal Reserve. There are a number of forecasters that are predicting not only three rate cuts between now and the end of the year, but that pathway will continue into the new year. So in that sort of context, it's quite, I suppose, the momentum, the positive momentum that is generated by the stock market is quite noteworthy. And we saw that last night. The Nasdaq hit a record high, up by 0.5%. The S&P 500 rose by almost 1%. And you saw the Dow Jones up by about 0.1%. So there was a big news story last night, Pete, that you would enjoy. So Elon Musk, it was revealed that he has purchased $1 billion of Tesla shares. And that is quite a historic outcome. There's never been a founder that has invested that amount of money in their own organisation ever. So that's quite a vote of confidence. It's been an extraordinarily volatile year for Tesla shares. They're only up by about 8% in year-to-date terms, but they have risen by more than 80% since the lows of April. So it's been a very rocky ride for Tesla investors, who would no doubt be celebrating that news today. Magnificent Seven stocks as a group were up higher, so reflecting that move higher for technology stocks more generally, helped by that discussion around lower interest rates. European markets were generally firmer as well. The French market up by almost 1%, even though the Fitch credit rating agency downgraded their sovereign credit rating in the last couple of days. The Aussie dollar is trading at around 66.7 US cents, Pete, so continuing to gain momentum off a softer US dollar. All prices up by 1% last night, and a similar improvement for gold prices as well.
Tom Piotrowski, thank you.